What's poppin', what's Gucci guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I got another accessory delivered to me. I bought it off Amazon for around 30 bucks or so it really wasn't too bad. But basically, just to tell you guys what it is from the very start here, it's an insulation kit for the door, so you won't actually see it from the outside, but once it's installed, it's gonna make a difference in terms of the sound. So this is what I mean. Let's go outside and listen to how the doors shut and see what kind of sounds they make. And then I'm gonna install the product and then let you guys hear it and see if there's a difference. So other Tesla owners have bought this product as well, and they mentioned it is a little bit quieter on the road, but I'm not really too sure about that just because it's sort of like a small installation. But let's take their word for it. Let's install it and see how it goes. Okay, so before I open the package right there to install everything, let's listen to the sound that the door makes when I close it. So here's attempt number one. And then we'll do it from the back as well. So we're about to open up the package real quick. Let's see what's inside. This is the brand that I got it off. So it's Basenor, I think it's pronounced. And then there is an installation guide, and it tells you everything that the package includes. So front door seal, rear door seal, A, B pillar, the promoters. So yeah. Moving on here, there's more adhesive promoters. Alright, so this is the B pillar. This is the A pillar. The left door. The right door. The left front door, which I'm going to install first. And then the right front door, or the passenger side. Alright, so we're going to install the driver's side first, which is the A pillar and the left front door seal. So we're going to grab two promoters here, but before we do everything, we're going to go ahead and clean out the surface first. As I just add a little bit of water to my towel here, it's my microfiber towel, and since it's going to be dirty, I'm probably going to order some more off Amazon. But basically, the left front door seal goes around the whole hinges here, so it goes around this entire door here, and then the A pillar itself is going to go inside this area. So in here, it's going to be hard to show you guys, but I'm going to do my best and have my girlfriend film me while I do everything. But it's going to go inside here. So from the top all the way down to the bottom, and then it'll sort of connect at the very corner there. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning real quick. Alright, so it looks like there's two. There's going to be one for the passenger side and then one for the driver side. So before I actually take the red tape off here, I want to make sure that I get it positioned properly, because once you take the red tape off, you really only have like a chance or two to get it right. Otherwise, you're kind of out of luck. So let's go ahead and thread it through first and then take the red tape off. As I actually had it the other way around, so I actually had the tape on the outside the first time, but I just looked at the guide and apparently you're supposed to stick it along this edge here instead, so it becomes all nice and flush. So before I actually install it, I'm gonna take out this adhesive promoter and just rub it on a little bit there so that it sticks perfectly. Alright, so here's the left front door. Let's go ahead and open it. So there is a skinnier portion, and then there's a thicker portion. So the thicker portion will, I believe it goes to the top here. I just double checked the guide again. I am messing up today, but apparently the small side is supposed to go on the edge here. So it should be pretty easy. It's just going to be taped down, straight down, and then it's going to wrap down to the little corner here. And I'm actually going to start with the corner because Any excess adhesive I can just cut off easily. So let's go ahead and remove it from here. And again, we're just gonna do little by little. And we're just gonna tape it right inside here. Now let's go ahead and get taping to the bottom here. As you guys can see, there is a little bit of an opening. So the guide says to cut a small triangle off of this piece first, because I think this is where the water falls out, so we don't want to block it or anything like that. So we're just going to make little marks here, just so I can sort of guesstimate. So 2 little indents. Alright, so I just cut a little indent here, as you guys can see. And let's go ahead and get to taping. And again, we're just going to tape it a little bit above the ledge here, so that once the door closes, you're not going to be able to see any of the excess padding here. So everything is applied on. Let's go ahead and listen to the sound it makes once I close it. So here goes. So as you guys can listen, it's a little bit of a deeper sound once you close it. So I'll play the before sound right now. And then here's the after sound. Alright guys, so the last thing that we really need to install is the left rear door. And then I'm not going to film the other side because it's pretty much going to be like the same process. But we're going to run sound tests with the whole entire setup to see what it sounds like. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. And it looks like, again, in the rear door here, there's some openings. So you just want to make sure you cut like a little like square, rectangle, or like a little triangle out so the water comes through. At least I think the water comes through here. A lot of people just recommend doing it so nothing gets blocked. But let's go ahead and do that. Alright, and I'm just trying to line it up so that once it closes, you can't really see any of the black piece here. Alright you guys, this is the finished product here. So overall, this didn't take too long. I would say if you were doing it by yourself, it would take like 30 minutes or so. So really not too bad. And this piece right here, since it kind of just like, I don't know, it's kind of edged here, it's alright to just round it out and just keep continuing to insulate everything here. So as you guys can see, it's all the way to the edge there. Overall, this product is pretty nice. In terms of like the sound, I don't think it's like a major difference or anything like that, but you can definitely hear a difference. Let's go ahead and close the door real quick and see what it sounds like. yeah, you guys, I'm not going to show the other side so that this project doesn't take too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it useful. I know I'm not an expert at installing or anything like that, but this just shows that if you guys put in like 30 minutes to an hour, you too can install some really cool accessories for your Tesla Model 3. So again, this is from Basenor. Here is the name in case you guys want to order this. And again, it wasn't too expensive. I think it's like $30, but I'll link it down below in the description box. Feel free to use my affiliate link to go ahead and check it out. If you guys decide to use the affiliate link and order the product there, I do get a small commission, which in result does help out with the channel. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers, and I don't know if we're going to be at 2,000 subscribers before I post this, but just want to thank you guys in advance. It really means a lot to me. I didn't expect 2,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Honestly, all I expected was 1,000, so thank you guys so much. Oh, and I do have a goal of reaching 3,000 subscribers before the end of this year, because I was feeling kind of frisky and I was like, let's go ahead and shoot for the stars or shoot for the moon, whatever the saying is. But again, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. But as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.